Hi guys, so this is my analysis update on GU guys. So I'm be doing a top-down analysis on GU as well. So now let's see what we are looking at. This is the monthly time frame. So let's see what we are looking at now. We can see where GU is currently based on now. We've been on a downtrend. We've seen the impulse correction. We're seeing this giving us the double bottom for us to continue to push to the downside. So right now on GU, right, I think we're gonna buy overall on GU. Like even those that swing, right, this is a beautiful time to actually buy and like buy to the upper side on GU. We can see that we currently the previous low right here, right, we did not break out of the previous low right here. We came there and we also wicked around that area, right? So we did not close down below that zone for us to know that we're going to continue to push to the downside. As we can see, we got to that zone based on the previous low and we rejected as well, and I'm expecting some sort of a correction to push to the upside. As we can see, if I zoom in, we had this doji candle, then we had this other candle which shows the momentum of the buy, to be honest. So right now I see it's pushing to the downside, I'm sorry, to the upside. So what am I gonna do? I'm gonna draw a trend line right now on GU so we can see. Okay, let's go to a much smaller time frame. Another trend line can also be drawn here. So we can see another one can also be drawn here. Go to much smaller time frame and let's see. So on we can see that we are currently around this trend line right here, which can always go both ways, right? So so we can see that we currently have a touch of the trend line. We have one touch here, second touch here, and this is the third touch of the trend line. So I actually see a possibility of it dropping a little bit more for us to know. So I'm just gonna put my fib right here from here to here. Let's see. So I use my fib right now and we can see that we are currently retracing around my 61.8% fib level. Be mindful that this is a monthly time frame, just like I mentioned. So I see it at least maybe coming down to my 27.6% fib level overall, just because we can see there is a break of structure around that area. So we might probably possible push the up down to 1.17351 for us to continue to tank to the upside, right? Or there's a possibility that it might still fall to sort of give us like the W pattern for us to continue to push to the upside. So just like I mentioned, as long as we are still above the zone, we should look for a buy overall, right? So as long as we are above that zone. So now I'm going to get to my weekly time frame just to see. Just like we see, we can see that we are rejecting multiple times around 61.8% fib level. There's a possibility for us to actually tank. So if I draw a line right here, you can see we had this breakout structure here. So break up an impulse is sort of a correction, then I'm expecting some sort of continuation to the downside. So this is the daily time frame, guys. Let's see if a line can be drawn here as well. Yeah, another line can also be drawn here. So we should know that because we are intraday trader, right? We should know that this TP right here is still for a long term TP, right? So because we are intraday traders, so we have to study like the minor direction. So this is the overall direction TP, like the major direction TP, right? But like I said, we are more of an day trader or like scalping once in a while. So depending on the pips you get, so it makes sense for us to go to much lower time frame. And so let's see, another zone can also be drawn here, right here. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame and see. So we can say right here, there's a possibility if you're going to continue to look for a buy, guys, there's a possibility for it to drop to maybe my 50% fib level right here. And that is because we can see, if I zoom in a little bit, we can see that there is this breakout structure right here. So there's a possibility for it to come down here for us to continue to push to the upside. That's a possibility. So if you're going to push to the upside, so my first target will be around here, will be my first target. And my second target will be definitely around this trend line right here. Then if you still see more momentum of buy after then, but if you want to continue to buy, then there's a possibility for it to actually, we want like a sort of a breakout structure with an engulfing candle to break this previous structure right here, then continue to tank to the upside, and we possibly might just take it to 1.29076, run around that area right there. So like I said, let's go to my 2-hour time frame to see if I see any more. I just still think right now like we're still seeing more momentum of a buy until otherwise happen. So like I said, we might push down a little bit to here before we go to our first target right here, or we might just put down here to go to our second target. So that is what I am seeing currently on you guys. But if you're gonna buy, I will want, sorry, if you're gonna sell, I want at least for us to break out of this counter trend line right here, for us to continue to sell, for us to have like more confirmation of sell. So if you have some sort of like an impulsive candlestick close above the trend line, then we have some sort of a retracement for us to know that we continue to push to the downside and it's not a fake out. Then we continue to ride it to the downside and possible 1.24598. But like I said, as of right now, I'm seeing, okay, let's see, there's, you can do this target right here. It's changed. So if you're right into the downside, this is a possibility of target. So just let's change the, move it a little bit. So for us to sell, let's see, come break the trend line, like I said, give us a possible retest, then we might continue to push to the downside. So that is my thought right now on. So guys, let's see how the market plays out. Then we're going to react to the market based on how it plays out. So this is my quick thought on GEO, guys. Hope you find it helpful. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. And I will see you in my next analysis, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.